Right, this is the concept of speed, time and distance. Right, speed, time and distance. Right, let's see this. He's saying the length of a train is 250 meters and a platform is 200 meters. If a train crosses a platform in 30 seconds, how much time it will cross a man who is running in the same direction with 18 kilometers per hour speed? Firstly, speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, you have to memorize this equation. This is the only concept we get in the speed, time and distance. Right, speed equal to distance by time. Okay, let's go to the question. The length of a train is 250 meters. He's saying S equal to d by t, no? There is a platform. Let's take this. This is a platform of 200 meters. And there is a train here. This is a train of 250 meters. He is saying if a train crosses that platform in 30 seconds, that means this train starting from here, it goes towards it and the final position should be like this. That means train cleared 200 meters plus its length 250 meters. Okay, total 200 plus 250, that is 450 meters train crossed. Okay, the total distance should be 450 meters. So as we know that speed equals to distance by time. Here the distance is 450, 200 plus 250, and he already gave 30 seconds. If we have, you should definitely see this. Here the units are seconds, so you should check whether it is meters or kilometers. If it is kilometers, try to change it into meters. Here already it is meters, so because speed should be either meters per second or kilometers per hour. Okay, so here 450 meters plus seconds, how much it take in 30 seconds, it completes this 400 meters, 450 meters. So this is 15. So speed of the train is 15 meters per second. Right, speed of the train is 15 meters per second. What is he asking? How much time it will take to cross a man who is running in the same direction with 18 kilometers per hour speed? That means this train is there now, this 250 meters train, right? And there is this man. This man is running in the same direction along with the train. And what is his speed? His speed should be 18 kilometers per hour. You have to change this into meters per second because the speed is here meters per second. For changing kilometers per hour to meters per second, you have to multiply 5 by 18 to kilometers per hour. So for 18 kilometers per hour, to change it into meters per second, 18 into 5 by 18. So 5 meters per second we got. So the speed of man is 5 meters per second. And he's asking what is the time it will take for the train to cross that man who is in the same direction with 18 kilometers per hour speed. So for doing this, what should we have to do? What should we need to get? The distance should be the train in the starting place here, in the ending. When the train, when we can say that the train has crossed that man, when the tail part of the train crossed him, this is the tail part and this is the head part. When the tail part crossed him, that is the position, that is the time when the train crossed that man. Okay, so in this here, the 250 meters only we have to take because the length of the train is the only distance. So take speed equal to distance by time, and the distance is 250 meters. And we have to calculate time. If s equal to d by t, then t equal to d by s. No, that way t equals to 250 by s. What is the speed? Here speed of train is 15 meters per second, and the speed of man is 5 meters per second, and he is going in the same direction. That is, if train goes from here this place to this place, in that time this man also displaces some position now when he is going the same direction. So you have to minus the speed of man from the speed of train. Okay, you please remember this concept. If both are running in the same direction, the speed should be difference between them, and if both are running in the opposite direction, the speed should be addition between them. Okay, that is means plus. Here both are running in the opposite direction. So what you have to take, 15 minus, okay, here speed, time equal to distance by speed, no, 15 minus what is the speed of the man, 5 meters per second. So 15 minus 5, it is 10, so 25. So what it becomes, it becomes right, it becomes, the time is 25 seconds. Okay, I am saying it again guys so that you can get it. Okay, we know speed equals to distance by time, and here saying the length of the train is 250 meters and the platform is 200 meters if the train crosses platform in 30 seconds. That means here speed, we have to calculate the speed of the train because the distance and the time is given. What is the distance? 250 meters of train length and platform length 200 meters. Okay, and the time is 30 seconds. This becomes 450 by 30. That means 15 meters per second is the speed of the train. And he is asking how much time it will take for the train to cross a man who is running in the same direction with 18 kilometers per hour speed. Firstly, you have to change this 18 kilometers per hour into meters per second. So 18 into, you have to multiply it with 5 by 18. So take 18 and 18 cancel, and 5 meters per second. So 5 meters per second is the speed of the man. So, and both are running in the same direction. So as speed equals to distance by time, time equals to distance by speed. So we have to calculate time. So time equal to distance. What is the distance? Here only the train length is the distance. So 250 meters, because there is no platform mentioned there. So 250 meters, train length 250 by speed. When they are going the same direction, the speed should be difference between them, and when they are going in the opposite direction, the speed should be addition between them. And here they are going in the same direction, so speed should be difference between them. That means 15 minus 5, it is 10. So 10 means you have to calculate this. So t equal to 250 by 10, that means 25 seconds is the time required for the train to cross that man. Okay, 25 seconds. This is the answer guys. Okay.